Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. If you make one common mistake, we can burn modules, computers, and that can end up costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. How we know about that? It happened to us back in the day. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video if you have a Dodge Jeep or Chrysler vehicle. While we're mentioning these three vehicles, they're built by the same company guys, so many of the things will work exactly the same. They share their platforms, engines, concepts. And if you have a problem where you have warning lights, flashing lights on the dash, guys, we're going to share the number one cause for that we see here in the garage, something that most people completely overlook. And what they do, they start replacing sensors, parts, modules, computers, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars realizing that it's really simple fix. So stay with us and we'll explain what it is. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. Guys, you can find information about almost anything you can think of. And we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what we're talking about now, it should work for Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler vehicles, even most modern vehicles. Let's explain, give a little bit about the idea guys. Now, these new vehicles, they use many modules. Those are like little computers, control units in the car. On some newer vehicles, you may have up to 40, 50 of them. You may have one in each door, seats, different components guys. And now these modules require stable voltage and quite a bit of power as well. And when your car battery acts funny, it doesn't supply that stable voltage, it's weak, it can cause all kind of chaotic behavior guys in those modules, and you may start getting flashing lights, warning lights on the dash. And that will be the time guys that you need to check your car battery. Now, two mistakes people make, you will not believe it guys, but it does happen. That's why we want to share that with you so you don't waste your money guys. Let me show you here now. Most people will get a voltmeter, right, and check the battery voltage. And if we check that battery voltage right here, what we guys have here, 12.82, right? That's quite good. Looking at the voltage, that tells us that this battery is amazing. And then we have that one right here. This one, 12.534. So, looking at those, you will assume this is the bad battery, this is the good battery, right? Well, surprise guys. Let us show you now what what easily can cause that now. So here, if we come guys, I want to show you, we're going to get a battery tester. That battery tester guys is what you actually need, because a weak battery can cause a really weird behavior in these new vehicles. And the battery tester, when you connect it, it's going to tell you your voltage. You can even check the cranking power and all that stuff. But check it out here. Okay, what do we have guys? 12.84. If we go here, select out of the vehicle, after charge, this is AGM battery rated at 800 cold cranking amps. Okay, and we test it. What are we gonna get guys? Check this thing out now. We have only 160 out of 800 cold cranking amps. The state of health is only 3%, so that battery is done. Okay, that battery is done. Even though the voltage is good, it can give you quite a bit of trouble. But if we test the one that we have here, it's a little bit lower voltage. Okay, it's been sitting for a while. We had the doors open when it was in the vehicle, but if we test that one, now this one is after charge. Let's put that as well. AGM played it. This one is a 900 amp battery. If we test that one, you will be surprised. Even though it has lower voltage, check out now the results. 955 cold cranking amps out of 900, state of health 100. So this is amazing battery. But the other one, you may check the voltage, it looks good. The vehicle may even start perfectly fine, but if it's unstable voltage after that, it cannot supply enough power. That can cause troubles as well guys. And if we check that one here now, okay, in the vehicle, sometimes you will have something like this one. Check this thing out. It will be just 10.6 volts, 10.6 for that. Clearly tells you guys, okay, that this battery, okay, if we test it, it's rated at 730 code cranking amps. It clearly will tell us that this battery is done. When you have lower voltage, that's quite easy to detect, but sometimes higher voltage doesn't mean good battery. 165 out of 730 state of health, only 13%, guys. So when you have warning lights, that will be the thing to check. Car battery, the first thing, that's what we do. And another common mistake people make when replacing car batteries, you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first, because if you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules and computers, and that can cost you serious money because these can be really expensive. So we'll put a link to a video in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. In addition, if you want to see, guys, if you have Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep product, on our YouTube channels we'll be able to find videos about all kind of problems and fuses as well, relays, location, if you need help with that. Thank you for watching, see you next time.